Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this yummy-licious baked polo recipe with you all. So easy recipe, and I know you'll love it at the end of this video. So if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Let's get started. Alright, so to my mixing bowl, I'll go in with my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. You can also use plain flour if that is what you have, okay? So moving forward, I'll also go in with some salt to taste. I'll go in with some sugar, and the salt and the sugar is always to your taste. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some nutmeg. Next, I'll go in with my all-purpose butter or margarine. I'll list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. So moving forward, I'll go in with my clean hands and I'll be mixing all the ingredients together until everything is nice and well combined. While that is going on, if you haven't still liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please do well to give me a thumbs up, click on the post notification bell as well so that you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so moving forward, I'll be going in with some matured coconut, and this recipe requires for this matured coconut or the hard coconut. The soft one won't work out, so please kindly note this, okay? So I'll be grating it very nicely and I'll add it to the flour as well. I'll also go in with a little bit of coconut milk. You can as well use water or any other milk to mix your dough very well, and be mindful not to add in too much water to make the dough very soft, okay? So now let's mix everything beautifully until the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. But at this point, I realized it was too soft for me, so I went in with extra flour. This is why it is always advisable not to use too much water, just in case you don't have in extra flour, okay? Alright, so now this is the perfect consistency that I'll be going for. So I'll just remove it from my bowl and begin to roll out the dough very nicely, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. And remember as well not to roll out the dough very thin or very flat, okay? So now after rolling out the dough, you just have to use any cutter of your choice to cut your dough into the polo shapes that we normally see or we normally do. So now after doing that, I'll be baking this in my oven. You can also use your air fryer, your stovetop, any other means that can help you bake this polo. Why not use it and you are good to go, okay? While that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful, and don't forget as well to turn on the post notification bell as well so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so I'll be baking this polo for about 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes approximately. So after baking it, this is the end result. As you can see, it came out so good, and it was very crispy. I love how it turned out, and I hope you're going to try. The taste was so good as well, and you will love it. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this baked polo recipe, and I hope you're going to try afterwards. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.